Hey everyone, happy Sunday. I hope you all's day is going well. Thank you so much for coming back, and for anyone that's new to my channel, welcome. So in today's video, I'll be doing my summer day shower routine, and it's pretty simple. My goal is to feel clean and smell good, so let's jump right into it. So I'm just going to start off by pouring me a little drink to keep by the shower just in case I get a little thirsty. So after I rinse off, I go in with my first base cleanse, and I'm using the Dow antibacterial bar soap and my exfoliating gloves to really get a good deep clean. This will be sure to get off any dirt, bacteria, and any dead skin cells off your body. And I like taking my time with my first wash and really get into those crevices. And I know I'm really clean when my skin starts to sound squeaky. Next, I'm using my Dove Beauty Bar for my second cleanse, and this is the original one. I feel like the Dove Beauty Bar always gets me right. I feel nice and clean, and also my skin feels so smooth and not stripped. So if you don't like your skin to feel stripped, then definitely just use the Dove Beauty Bar because it's going to clean and nourish your skin. So now that I'm clean and I'm feeling moisturized, I'm going to be focusing on nourishing the skin even more by using the multi-oil body wash by Naturium. This product right here will definitely give you the glow you're looking for in the summer. It sets up really nicely and goes on so smoothly. I wouldn't use this for this smell per se. It has a smell, I can't really explain it, but it's not something you'll want to smell like all day. Like, you need something to put on top of it. But for glow and the other benefits of it, 10 out of 10. Now this is the product you want your skin smelling like. I make this the last step in my routine so the scent can last after my shower. This is the Cleansing and Renewal Body Wash by Olay, and it doesn't just smell good, it has other benefits as well. It's very hydrating, it radiates your skin, and it also has retinol and vitamin B3 in it as well. So after I rinse off and my washcloth is clean, I just go in and scrub my bottom area, really getting in there. That's like the first step to having no odor, just to scrub your butt really good. Next, for my feminine area, I'm using the Monistat Feminine Cleanser. This one is really good and it works for me. I tried plenty of feminine washes and they all worked okay, but after a while I wasn't feeling them anymore. But this one has been working out for me so far. I've been using it for over a year now and everything seems to be okay. And that's how some products are. One day they may work for you, and other times they won't, and you have to switch it up and try something new. But it's okay to stick to what you like and works. And lastly, you just saw me use the Olay body wash again, and I just used my hands this time, and I just wanted an extra layer of that smell so it can last after the shower. Okay, we gotta do something to this hair now. Okay, that's much better. Now let's get into some oral hygiene. I do a more in-depth oral hygiene routine, more so at night. If that's something you all want to see, just let me know and I can definitely do one. Today I'm washing my face with the facial cleanser by Rodeo. It's the Vitsy Brightening Cleanser. This does a good job and has like a orange citrus kind of smell to it. It doesn't really suds up, which doesn't matter to me. I'm okay with not having the product suds up to know if it's working. The toner I'm using is this Red Remedy toner by Tovagen. I actually really like this toner. Surprisingly, it's very moisturizing, which sometimes toners will dry out your face, but this one doesn't. Some of the key ingredients are from red fruits and vegetables. So today I wanted to do a mask. I'm doing this gold sheet mask and I left it on here for about 25 minutes, then I removed it. Moving on to serum, I'm using this one by Skin Inc. It's called My Daily Dose of Vitamin A, B, C. It's infused with vitamin A, vitamin B3, and vitamin C, which are all beneficial to the skin. And for eye cream, I'm using this one by Goldfaden MD called Bright Eyes. I typically go for an eye cream that brightens my under eye to help with darkness and dullness. The moisturizer I'm using is one of my current faves. It's the Goat Milk Moisturizer by Kate Somerville. And I love that I don't have to reapply it throughout the day. And in combination with all my other products, it just works really good. The last step in my skincare routine is finishing off with some SPF, and I'm using this one by Murad. I like it and it's been working out. It also doesn't leave a white cast, which I also love. These two right here are a good combination if you want to stay odor free. I just use it in the bottom area and I also use the Lumi Unscented under my arms. I'm just moisturizing my body, and this one I picked up from Victoria's Secret, and I think it's called Dream Teaser or Teaser Dream, but it smells really good, and the scent doesn't wear off too quickly. Like, you're gonna be smelling good all day. So it's a pretty hot day today, so I'm just gonna double up with protection under my arm, and the deodorant I'm using is this one by Native. And the scent of the day is this one by Brown Girl Jane. It's called Bahia, and this smells really good in combination with the lotion. I think I just created something. Like, I'm gonna have to try that combination again. Alright, so that's the end of my shower routine, summertime edition. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.